Whether you are a fitness fanatic or despise walking, you would appreciate a reward. Walking is an important part of our daily lives and has numerous health benefits. It is present in our daily lives such as running errands, exercising, visiting a friend, and even moving from one room to another. The goal is to make you feel better and healthier. A sedentary lifestyle can raise the risk of chronic diseases and weaken the immune system. As a result, getting your legs moving and walking as much as possible is critical. Earning money with each step is just the icing on the cake. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about 5 applications that will pay you for just walking. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Sweatcoin is an exercise application that tracks your steps and rewards you in Sweatcoins, a type of quasi-cryptocurrency for every 1,000 steps you take. Unfortunately, Sweatcoins cannot be withdrawn to a bank or PayPal account. Sweatcoins, on the other hand, can be used to purchase goods, services, and experiences from partnering companies via an in-app marketplace. This marketplace offers change at least once per day. They ranged from subscription to other health applications such as Calm for 14.99 Sweatcoins to high-tech items like an iPhone XS and a curved Samsung TV when I used the app, both for 20,000 Sweatcoins. Sweatcoins can be donated to charitable crowdfunding campaigns if you are feeling particularly charitable. Sweatcoin can also be used with a smartphone or an Apple Watch and is available on the App Store and Google Play Store. After downloading the application, you will be prompted to enter your name, phone number, email address, and most importantly, to grant the app access to your GPS location. Sweatcoin claims this is to ensure that it only counts your outdoor steps and to prevent users from attempting to game the system. However, with such a large amount of location data potentially at stake, some commentators have expressed privacy concerns. Sweatcoin, in response, promises 100% data privacy and states on its website that it will never sell user data. Sweatcoin uses your device's accelerometer and GPS location to track your outdoor step once you've set it up. Currently, the application awards 0.95 Sweatcoins for every 1,000 outdoor steps taken. It automatically docks a 5% commission on each Sweatcoin earned. PK Rewards is a high-quality fitness application that rewards users with coins for performing various workouts such as walking, running, jogging, climbing, and more. It even takes into account your workouts on treadmills and indoor bikes. You can earn coins for doing static workouts like yoga, weightlifting, CrossFit, spinning, swimming, surfing, and more by connecting the application to an Apple Watch or any compatible Bluetooth-based heart rate monitor. You can also import workouts from other applications such as Fitbit, Nike Plus, Endomondo, and many more. Simply put, PK Rewards calculates your workout effort. The level of effort ranges from 0 to 100. One feature that distinguishes the application is that it automatically calculates effort for each user individually. Your personal effort score is then used to calculate how quickly you earn coins for your workout. Because PK Rewards is based on effort, users of any fitness level can climb to the top of the leaderboards. Work hard to amass a large number of coins. For example, running for 10 minutes will earn you more coins than walking for 20 minutes. The application also displays standard workout statistics such as calories burned, time, distance, and pace. PK Rewards' free version is fully functional and ad-free. Subscription versions are available as an upgrade for users who want a more in-depth analysis of their workouts, including detailed graphs, split times, and unlimited workout history. The subscription version can be purchased on a monthly, yearly, or lifetime basis. The application subscription versions are available for a 14-day trial. The Charity Miles application allows you to raise funds for charities without having to rely on walkathon donations from friends and family. You can use this application to track your running, cycling, or walking workouts. You select a charity and it tracks your mileage using your phone's GPS and motion sensors. It can track both indoor and outdoor workouts so you can make the most of your treadmill time. You can also donate to over 24 charities including the ASPCA, Habitat for Humanity, the Nature Conservancy, the Alzheimer's Association, the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, Special Olympics, and the Wounded Warrior Project. Charity Miles is available for iOS and Android devices. The disadvantage of this application over others is that you must open it and track each workout. You don't get credit for your daily steps and activity. Only dedicated workouts do. With the achievement application, you can earn money for walking, biking, swimming, and other activities that are tracked by the app. You can earn up to 80 points per day for exercise activities and 6 points per day for logging food, tracking your sleep, weighing yourself, meditating, or tweeting about your health journey. Achievement will pay you $10 for every 10,000 points you earn, and you can donate your points to one of the charities on the list. Even if you maximize your points, it will still take 4 months to earn $10. Although the payouts are slow, it has the potential to earn you $30 per year. Your points will expire 1 year after you earn them. Aside from this basic system, they have other ways to earn money and rewards. You can earn points by taking surveys about exercise and health. You can connect to over 30 other fitness trackers and apps using this app, including Apple Health, Samsung Health, Fitbit, Garmin, Strava, Runkeeper, MapMyFitness, MyFitnessPal, and Misfit. Achievement does not require a fitness tracker because it can connect to the activity logged by your mobile phone. Higgy is not a standalone app. Instead, it collaborates with a variety of devices and applications to convert fitness efforts into Higgy points. The company purchased the Earned It website, which served the same purpose. Your account is transferable. You can join for free and link your applications to have your points earned in their challenges automatically updated. The challenges can last a week or a month. Points are awarded per mile or miles worth of daily steps. Points can also be earned by using a Higgy health tracking station, which can be found in pharmacies. This device measures your pulse, blood pressure, weight, body mass index, and body fat. At the end of a challenge, points are converted into chances in a prize drawing. Points can also be used to earn rewards, which are discounts on health and fitness products. You can earn more points by convincing your friends to join. Keep track of your points in comparison to your friends and turn it into a fun social competition. Fitbit, Nike Plus, Strava, Runkeeper, Omron, Endomondo, Garmin, iHealth, Streve, and Under Armour among the applications and devices that Higgy connects to. You cannot cheat the system by tracking the same workout on multiple applications or devices. It only gives you credit for the one with the most activity. One disadvantage is that you must spend money to redeem most of the rewards, such as 20% off Garmin products. Higgy occasionally offers charity rewards, allowing you to donate extra points. Keeping yourself fit is essential, and it necessitates investing energy and time in order to stay mentally and physically fit. Walking reduces health risks and even helps financially because a healthy lifestyle reduces medical bills. When it comes to earning at every stage, having realistic expectations is the best thing to do. These applications are designed to keep people motivated and encourage them to take a few more steps in order to receive the incentives. Begin your journey and stay motivated to live a healthy future while earning some rewards as an added bonus.